Imagine this, it's the year 1901. A team of Greek sponge divers is exploring the treacherous waters near the island of Antikythera. They stumble upon an ancient Roman shipwreck, a treasure trove of statues and artifacts. But among the relics, they find something truly baffling, a lump of corroded bronze, fused together after 2,000 years beneath the sea. It looks like nothing more than a rock at first. Little did they know, they had just discovered the most sophisticated piece of technology from the ancient world. This is the story of the Antikythera Mechanism, the 2,000-year-old computer that simply shouldn't exist. For decades, this strange object sat in the National Archaeological Museum in Athens, mostly ignored. It wasn't until scientists began using X-rays and advanced imaging technology in the mid-20th century that the true wonder of the device was revealed. Hidden inside that corroded lump was a complex system of at least 30 interlocking bronze gears, more intricate than anything seen, again, for over 1,000 years. The precision was mind-boggling. The teeth on these gears were tiny, just over a millimeter long, hand-cut with incredible accuracy. This was craftsmanship on a level that historians believed was impossible for that era. It was like finding a smartphone in a medieval castle. It completely rewrote our understanding of ancient Greek capabilities. So, what did this incredible machine actually do? It wasn't a computer in the modern sense, with a screen and keyboard. It was an analog computer, a mechanical calculator of the cosmos. By turning a hand crank on its side, the user could set the gears in motion. Dials on the front and back would then display a wealth of astronomical information. The main front dial showed the Greek zodiac and a calendar, with a pointer for the sun and another for the moon, showing its phase. It was essentially a model of the solar system as they understood it. You could wind it forward or backward in time to see the positions of the celestial bodies on any given date. But the real genius of the Antikythera mechanism was hidden in its back panels. One of the most remarkable features was its ability to predict eclipses. The ancient Greeks knew that eclipses occur in a cycle of about 18 years, which they called the Saros cycle. The mechanism had a spiral dial that tracked this exact cycle, indicating not just when a lunar or solar eclipse might happen, but even the likely time of day. This required an incredible depth of astronomical knowledge and the mathematical genius to translate that knowledge into a mechanical form. The gears were arranged to model the irregular motion of the moon, an astronomical problem so complex that Isaac Newton himself struggled with it centuries later. The mechanism also took into account something called the Metonic cycle, a 19-year calendar cycle used to align lunar and solar calendars. This was crucial for planning agricultural activities and religious festivals. In fact, inscriptions found on the device suggest it even indicated the timing of the ancient Olympic Games. It was a complete guide to the heavens and to life on Earth, all packed into a wooden box about the size of a shoebox. So who could have built such a device? The exact creator is unknown, but scholars believe it may be connected to the astronomer Hipparchus, who lived in the 2nd century BC on the island of Rhodes, a known center for astronomy and mechanics. The shipwreck was found on a trade route from Rhodes, so it's plausible this incredible machine was being transported when the ship went down. The Antikythera mechanism shatters the common perception of the ancient world as a primitive time. It proves that at least some ancient Greek engineers possessed a level of genius that wouldn't be matched until the great clockmakers of Renaissance Europe, over 1,400 years later. It represents a lost branch of technology, a testament to human ingenuity that was tragically submerged beneath the waves for 2 millennia. What other wonders of the ancient world might still be out there, waiting to be discovered? The Antikythera mechanism is a beautiful, humbling reminder that the past is full of surprises. Thanks for joining us on this journey back in time. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay curious with us.